Environmental Engineering Laboratory. Today in Environmental Engineering Laboratory we are going to do practical on the pH of drinking water. According to IS 10500-2012, pH for drinking water is 6.5 to 8.5. pH is a measure of hydrogen ion concentration in an aqueous solution and it is expressed as 1 by 10 1 by log 10C, where C is the concentration of H positive ion in a solution. In pure water, the concentration of H positive ion is 10 raised to power minus 7 gram per liter at 25 degrees Celsius. So the pH of drinking water is 1 by log 10 raised to power minus 7, that is equal to 7. For acidic solution, pH is from 0 to 7. For alkaline solution, pH is 7 to 14. Now, how to do this practical? We'll conduct this practical in a laboratory. Now, the instrument which we are going to use in this laboratory is this. Now, how to start with the instrument? Firstly, switch on the power and at its back there is a button to start the instrument. With this instrument, we can find the different parameters like pH, ISE and EC. So in today's experiment, we are going to calculate the pH of the drinking water. To start with the practical, firstly we have to calibrate the instrument. While going through calibration, we have to use the standard solution of pH 4 and pH 7. We have already taken the pH 4 solution in a beaker and we are going to calibrate this by dipping the electrode in the pH 4.01. When we will get the stable reading, the calibration is completed. So, we have achieved 3.9 value for pH 4.01. The chemical is of pH 4.01, but exactly it does not give the same value as the value depend upon the age or other factor. But instrument is calibrated with respect to standard solution. Now again, we have to calibrate the electrode with the standard solution of pH 7.01, but before its use we have to wipe the electrode with a tissue paper and take the measurement for calibration with respect to pH 7.01. We can see on the screen that the value is going to be achieved nearby 7.01. In between, what the precautions we have to take during conductance of this practical? Rinse the electrode thoroughly with the distilled water before conducting the test, and after each calibration wipe the electrode with a soft cloth or tissue paper. Expired buffer is not used in a calibration of instrument. Handle the instrument carefully. It takes time to achieve the value with respect to calibration with respect to standard solution. With the sound of beep, we can see the stable value has been achieved, and also on the screen we can see the stable value is achieved. Now on the screen you can see the stable value is achieved 6.7 for the calibration solution of 7.01. As already told, the calibration standard solution exact value we did not get the 7.01 because exact age depends upon the age and other factor of the chemicals used for calibration. Now after calibration we have to use the sample whose pH is to be measured. Now take the electrode out of standard solution, wipe it with distilled water. We have to rinse the electrode. After this, we have to wipe the electrode with a soft cloth or tissue paper. Now place it on the handle and we have taken the water sample whose pH is to be measured. With the electrode of pH, we have to dip the temperature rod to check the temperature of the given sample of water. Now on screen we can see the pH value of the drinking water. With the sound of beep, we will get the stable value. Now on screen you can see the stable value of pH is 7.6 at the temperature of 22.2 degrees Celsius. The stable value has been achieved. Similarly, you can see on the apparatus that there is a mode for calibration, mode, setup and help. By pressing on the mode, we can select the various parameters like pH, ISE or electrical conductivity. In next laboratory, we are going to conduct the practical of electrical conductivity of a drinking water. Thank you.